Hi guys, in this video we'll be talking about the Apple AirPods. Should you buy it? What are the different use cases? So first of all, about the AirPod. This one is the second generation AirPod, which costs you between 9,000 rupees and 14,000 rupees. So basically it's like it costs you about 4 to 5 times the cost of the normal AirPods, which are the wired earphones basically by Apple. And this package comes with the AirPod, like the set of AirPod, as well as the charging cable. So you will also have the charging case, wherein you can keep the AirPods as well. So basically that will be acting as the charger, as well as it will act as the placeholder for the earpods, or AirPods rather. So it's such a nice device. It's very small, yet very functional, very easy to use. So all you have to do is just open it up and just press on the button, the circular button, which is there in the charging case. So do that, and then your devices will be able to detect the Bluetooth of AirPod. And once that is done, you can just connect the AirPod with your device, and once connected, you will be able to just play the music or whatever you want to listen to. So it's very easy to use AirPods, and you may want to read the instructions. One of the things which you should do is register your AirPods with your Apple account, so that at least the warranty stays in place. And one of the interesting facts is that whensoever you will bring your charging case closer to your iPhone, it will just tell you or show you in the window how much charge is left in your AirPods as well as your charging case. So that's a nice touch by Apple, which lets you get the information about the charge which is there in your devices. So this is how the AirPod looks like. Pretty neat design, and such a beautiful device. So now suppose you are working out on a treadmill, you are running, and if you're having the wired earphones, then at times it just gets stuck somewhere. So you will feel distracted and maybe some accident may occur. So briefly, something happened with me as well, wherein I could just jump on the sides of the treadmill, and the earphones basically catapulted backwards because of the speed on which I was running. So to prevent such kind of hazards which can happen during working out, because the wires can get stuck in the treadmill or any of the weights which you are working with in the gym. So that is a potential threat, and you may not want to take some chances. Also, wires always cause some confusion and nuisance, because they get tangled easily, or when you're running it gets stuck somewhere, or they just fall down, so things like that. So wired earphones are kind of tricky and not so nice when you're doing the workouts basically. So AirPods are like perfectly fit in your ears, and they do fall down, but that's kind of rare, or they are not correctly inserted in your ears. So if you are ensuring that, then it's quite rare that the AirPods will fall down. So after waiting for years, I finally purchased this AirPod, and I'm very happy with the performance and the amount of workout I'm now doing.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on being skilled.